In this tutorial, I will show you content aware scale tool in Adobe Photoshop. So let's dive into this. I have already opened an image, beautiful sea creatures I have collected from Pixabay. So I am extend this image from left to right using crop tool. So I am accepting it. Now I am accessing, this is content aware scale from the edit menu. Shift Ctrl Alt C is the shortcut. So after selecting this or accessing this tool, I am holding down Shift and Alt plus key from keyboard and extend the background. And you can see that I can easily, Photoshop did a very good job here, very good job. But another option is here also, which I would like to show you. First of all, here I am selecting accessing lasso tool and make a selection surrounding the turtles. Quick, I am making it selection quickly. This is the selection. After selecting, I am going to channel and creating a new channel here. So this is named it Alpha 1 channel. I am Ctrl D from keyboard to uncheck the to deselect the selection. Now I am accessing the content aware scale tool from here. In this time, you can see here is the option. This is protect. If I click here, you can see the alpha channel I have created earlier with selection, lasso tool selection. This is alpha channel. So I am telling Photoshop so that Photoshop will protect alpha 1 channel. This time I am holding down Shift Alt from keyboard and now extending the background. So this time you can see Photoshop did a very good job with this content scale tool to extending the image background. However, I would like to suggest you, do not stress too much because then the effects will be visible. So that was for this quick tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe this channel. Keep editing.